Hi, what are you doing right now? I am playing the piano. I'm practicing playing the piano. Are you good at playing the piano? No, unfortunately, I'm not good at playing the piano. I have been playing the piano for about 2 years, but I'm still at a beginner level. Why is that? Because I have not been practicing playing the piano regularly. Do you enjoy playing the piano? Yes, I really love playing the piano. I find it so relaxing and enjoyable. Then, if you enjoy playing the piano, why have you not been practicing it regularly? Well, honestly, I have been very busy with both work and school. For that reason, most of my time is spent doing school homework and work. At the end of the day, I find myself with very little time to practice the piano. Oh, I see. So you said you go to a school. Which school do you go to? I go to the university. I'm a full time sophomore student at a small university in my hometown. I live in a small town. A small town refers to a community with a limited population, typically smaller than a city. Where I live, we have only one university and two small community colleges. What do you study? What is your major? My major is education. After I graduate, I plan to apply for a teaching certificate. Oh, that sounds very good. I hope you will succeed. Thanks. I hope so too. So, you said that you work as well. Where do you work? I work in a small cafe near my university. Do you work full time or part time? I work part time. However, I wish I could work full time so I can earn more money, but I'm unable to do so. Why are you not able to work full time? Why can't you work full time? I'm extremely busy with school work, such as writing essays, completing projects, and other assignments. So, when I'm not in class or at work, I'm either in the school library or at home studying and doing homework. Do you like your job? Yes, I love my job because I get to do what I like. I have always loved brewing coffee and creating different kinds of coffee drinks. So, my job allows me to do that. At my work, I learned how to brew and prepare different types of coffee. I also learned how to make different kinds of drinks, such as iced coffee and other cold, refreshing drinks. What else do you like about your job? I have always loved the whole atmosphere and mood of cafes. I find the cafe's environment and atmosphere cozy and relaxing. So, working in a cozy and relaxing environment is a bonus for me. That's great that you get to work in a place where you love and enjoy what you do. Yes, not only do I get to do what I like, but I also get a special bonus as an employee there. By saying getting a bonus, what do you mean? I get to have an employee discount. What sort of discount do you get? As a cafe employee, I can buy food and drinks and receive a 20% discount. So, at the end of my work shift, I usually buy a sandwich, cold iced coffee, and a dessert for a very cheap price. Oh, that's so awesome! I wish I could do that as well. You can also receive a discount. Well, I am not an employee there. How can I receive an employee discount then? At my cafe, we receive special coupons to give to our family and friends. If you would like a special discount coupon, I can get you that. That's awesome. I like that. Okay, no problem. Tomorrow, when I'm working, I will ask them to get you a coupon. Thanks. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you enjoyed this beginner level A1 through A2 natural English conversation practice video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you want more of this type of English conversation practice video, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much and hope I will see you in my next episode.